Megastar Rajinikanth successfully underwent a surgical procedure called carotid artery revascularization at a hospital here on Friday. The actor is recovering well and is likely to be discharged in a few days, said a top official of the Kaveri Hospital. Rajinikanth was admitted to Kaveri Hospital here on Thursday following an episode of giddiness. He was thoroughly evaluated by the expert panel of doctors and was advised to undergo carotid artery revascularization. The procedure was performed successfully today and he is recovering well. He is likely to be discharged from the hospital after a few days, said Dr. Arvindan Selvaraj, co-founder and executive director, in a statement. Rajinikanth on Thursday had tweeted that he had watched his yet-to-be-released movie Annathe with his grandson on Wednesday. Annathe will be released in theatres across the world on November 4. The first look of the movie is out. This will be a Deepavali release for Rajinikanth. Directed by Siva, it will be a family action thriller similar to the megastar's previous movie, Padayappa and Arunachalam. Rajinikanth's last film was Darbar, directed by A.R. Murugadas, but it was not a big hit. Kollywood, which is what fans call the Tamil tinsel world, is expecting Annathe to be a super hit, which is to be expected from the megastar. The shooting of the movie was affected because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It was happening at Hyderabad's Film City in December 2020, when some of the crew members tested positive for COVID-19. Nayanthara, popularly known as Lady Superstar of South cinema, is acting in the movie. It is the second time since Darbar that she has been paired opposite Rajinikanth. Other members of the cast are Prakash Raj, Meena, Kirti Suresh, Suri and Khushbu Sundar. The music for the film has been scored by D. Iman. Rajinikanth, who made his Bollywood debut in K. Balachander's Apurva Rangangal in 1975, has acted in more than 160 films. Apart from appearing in Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada and Bengali movies, his major break came in Balachander's Mundro Mudichu. There has been no looking back for Rajinikanth after this hit movie and he is considered as one of the India's cinema's leading stars. Rajinikanth was presented the 51st Dada Sahab Phalke Award at the 67th National Film Awards function by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu in the national capital on Monday.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.